Hello everyone, it's a pleasure to have all of you join us today's AMA event. We are thrilled to have the 0x LSD project team as our special guest as we delve into the discussion about this highly anticipated star project into the DeFi space. Whether you are an industry expert, an investor, or a new user just learning about this project, we have prepared a series of exciting questions that we believe it will be enlightening for everyone. Today, we will focus on 0x LSD core products, future plans, community development, and its impact on the entire crypto finance industry. So let's get started now. First of all, let's invite Ryan, co-founder of 0x LSD, to introduce us the products and core functionalities of 0x LSD. Please, Ryan, the virtual stage is yours.
Sure. So, hello everyone. I am Ryan, one of the co-founders of 0xLSD. Prior to creating 0xLSD, I focused on in-depth studies in fields such as economics, business, and computer engineering, earning relevant bachelor's degrees as well. Subsequently, I conducted extensive research in blockchain technology and cryptocurrencies. I also have been actively participating in the early design and development of several well-known cryptocurrency projects during the industry's early stages. Basically, 0xLSD is a decentralized smart contract platform based on blockchain technology. It allows users to directly participate in projects through their wallets without the need to download any third party software, providing a simple, secure, and convenient user experience. The primary product that we offer at 0xLSD is the staking project, involving participation as a liquidity provider on the Pancake platform. Its goal is to provide an opportunity for every investor to participate as a liquidity provider on Pancake and earn stable returns as well. Individual participants can indirectly engage in multiple projects on the Pancake platform through 0xLSD's multi chain aggregation automated intelligence. This intelligent system is transparent and displays the destination of each staking investment in real time. So, making a long story short, the core advantage of 0xLSD lies in providing users with stable and efficient returns, both in terms of static and dynamic income. The project distributes dividends as well, and it's in a daily way, every day, with an annual return rate of up to 438%. Earnings are automatically paid on time every day. Thank you. That would be it. That would be a brief introduction about the project and its
That
features.
sounds really amazing. Thank you for the introduction. Let's move on the other question. It seems that the LSD sector and even the entire crypto community, 0x LSD is the hottest project. I always see the influential individual promoting 0x LSD on platforms like YouTube, Twitter, and other media channel as well. There are also numerous communities engaging in lively discussion about the 0x LSD project. It's appeared to have a very strong following, which is quite impressive. Could you provide us with a detailed introduction to 0x LSD and its core products?
Yeah, sure. So, after reviewing the DeFi summer boom in 2020, where the total funds in the entire DeFi space surpassed billions of dollars, I came to realize the immense potential of crypto finance. However, as time went on, DeFi seemed to have entered a phase of what we call stagnation. This prompted us to deeply contemplate the long term development of this field. In order to foster sustainable growth in the crypto industry, our team collectively launched the 0xLSD project. So, 0xLSD is an on chain liquidity revenue aggregation facility that continuously generates profit returns for investors to our developed AI large scale models. Our goal is to make 0xLSD a platform that aggregates a large amount of decentralized liquidity, thereby establishing itself as a liquidity service provider in the Web3 world. This exact thing will provide a strong foundation for the long term development of DeFi. While building the liquidity system, 0xLSD's ecosystem also delves into the LSD track to support various public chain ecosystems. This includes not only enhancing underlying security and user capital utilization, but also facilitates the development of diverse ecosystems through liquidity provision in different public chains. To better serve various roles, we have constructed additional ecosystem components, including a cross chain instant exchange platform, an on chain derivatives protocol, an ecosystem wallet, an aggregated public chain, among others. Through continuous effort, we are committed to building a comprehensive liquidity ecosystem. Specifically speaking, the products of 0xLSD generally include the first one that I'm going to mention is the on chain liquidity revenue aggregation protocol. What I mean by this is that through AI data analysis and intelligent algorithms, 0xLSD actually provides users with a variety of derivative trading based on LSD. And by aggregating the revenue pool, users can manage the risks of LSD and achieve stable returns while earning staking rewards as well. The second point I'm going to mention is the cross chain instant exchange protocol. With the flash exchange feature, 0x LSD can quickly meet users' trading needs. And in this specific area, whether it's currency exchange or cross chain operations, ensuring efficient execution. And this is what matters the most. The third one is our famous ecosystem wallet, meaning that serving as a convenient Web3 gateway, the 0x LSD ecosystem wallet provides comprehensive ecosystem support for the platform. It supports the no code deployment of dApps, helping liquidity demanders better utilize the 0x LSD ecosystem and manage assets within the ecosystem. Last but not least, we've got the aggregated public chain performance expansion. And what I mean by this is that 0xLSD's aggregated public chain actually integrates both EVM and non EVM networks, enabling the deployment of numerous on chain dApps on a single platform. This promotes the active development of the 0xLSD ecosystem, and the presence of this aggregated public chain enhances the inclusiveness and compatibility of 0xLSD's ecosystem. That would be it. I hope I answered your question.
Yeah, no wonder G-Rex LSD is so popular. I must say it's a revolutionary innovation. Please give us a brief introduction to LXD, G-Rex LSD core products, their features, advantage, and function.
Sure. This is a nice question, and I'm very happy to answer it. Thank you for asking it. So, first of all, I'm going to start with the LSDFi Asset Management Protocol. This exact protocol of management protocol of 0xLSD actually focuses on the LSDFi field and also establishes an automated investment infrastructure with the goal of maximizing revenue generating capabilities. And this is by automatically switching between different LSDFi protocols. The LSDFi Asset Management Protocol reduces the entry barriers for ordinary users to access the LSDFi market while improving the overall trading environment and also enhancing the quality of transactions in LSDFi. Most importantly, the LSDFi Asset Management Protocol significantly improves the efficiency of capital utilization, injecting more vitality into the market and creating more possibilities for asset growth for users. Let's move on to the cross-chain flash exchange protocol, which provides users with a service to swiftly exchange assets using LSD, also known as flash swap. Through smart contracts or other platforms, users can perform instant asset exchange when needed, whether it's currency exchange or other financial operations, all within one efficient system. This protocol offers high scalability to meet users' immediate exchange needs. This protocol also ensures users' privacy and transaction security through its permissionless nature. The protocol itself enables arbitrage opportunities between different markets or platforms using LSD or any other type of assets, thereby profiting from price differentials. The on chain derivatives trading protocol is actually a crucial component and a crucial product that not only provides users with more trading scenarios, but we can also say that it creates value for them in multiple and many, many ways. This exact protocol allows users to increase their income by leveraging various trading strategies. It significantly enhances the liquidity of user funds, and additionally, the protocol facilitates stablecoin issuance, the design of new yield strategies, and the development of innovative trading products, bringing forth greater possibilities and innovations to the entire DeFi ecosystem. Most importantly, the protocol helps to diversify the risks associated with users' assets. Now, let's talk about the 0xLSD's Echo Wallet, which is a convenient, decentralized gateway that provides users with great convenience, and it actually serves both B2C and C2C users. Our Echo Wallet offers users a convenient and fast way to manage and use LSD and its derivative assets. And this exact wallet aims to meet the needs of different users because it not only provides convenient asset management tools for regular users, but also offers strong support for B2C users such as token, NFT, and dApp projects as well. 0xLSD actually achieves high throughput on a public blockchain platform through innovative technological architecture and performance expansion methods. What I mean by this is that by adopting sharding technology, innovative cryptographic techniques, and consensus protocols, the project 0xLSD is able to achieve high throughput of thousands of transactions per second, meeting the demands of high frequency trading and large scale applications. That would be an answer to your question. Thank you.
Oh, that's really impressive. So, what can you tell us about 0x LSD hot business model? Can you elaborate on various aspects of business model, specifically what role derivatives protocol, liquidity years, rates, mining years, trader service, etc. play in bringing benefits to the project and promoting ecological development?
Mhm. So I'm going to say that we were invited by the Dubai Summit to participate in this event together with Google, AWS, Binance, and other world renowned companies and institutions. This is something that we are actually proud of, and we have reached agreements with well known companies and projects around the world. So we've got the cooperation intention, and this is a very good thing. And at the same time, we also participated in the Singapore Token 2049 event not long ago. And we also achieved perfect results in the event. And we received the attention of a large number of communities and users as well. In terms of derivatives protocol, I can say that 0xLSD utilizes smart algorithms and AI interfaces to enable high frequency, low latency trading across various derivative protocols such as options, features, and leverage trading as well. By optimizing trading strategies, 0xLSD maximizes arbitrage opportunities and risk return ratios to generate transaction fees and profits as well. As an excellent liquidity provider, 0xLSD can earn substantial returns in the liquidity market. Leveraging AI data analysis, 0xLSD identifies the optimal liquidity pools and protocols combinations, providing users with optimized liquidity configurations for better asset allocation and performance as well. Additionally, by enabling cross-chain interoperability through aggregated chains and ecosystem wallets, 0xLSD expands the liquidity scope and depth of LSD and its derivatives. So, as a summary to all of this, 0xLSD earns transaction fees by providing liquidity and facilitating users' interaction within the ecosystem. So, based on market conditions and users' demand, 0xLSD sets and adjusts rates to remain competitive and generate revenue. A portion of the revenue will be used for token buybacks and burns to increase token scarcity and value, which is very interesting and important. Through various mining reward programs, 0xLSD generates revenue, including derivatives, single asset staking pools, and liquidity mining. By incentivizing users to lock LSD or other derivatives in smart contracts, 0xLSD participates in the corresponding yield distribution, thereby promoting liquidity mining activities. And in addition to all of this, partnerships with ecosystem collaborators can provide additional rewards and incentives also. We've got the diverse trader service. When it comes to this specific area, the components of this one are introduced by our project by 0xLSD, such as on-chain derivatives protocol, flash exchange protocol. They cater to different trader needs. These components provide convenient trading tools and services, attracting more users and trading volumes as well. And by attracting more users and increasing the trading volume, 0xLSD expands its market share, resulting in more transaction fees and revenue. Making a long story short and summarizing what I just said, 0xLSD's business model generates revenue through various aspects of protocols and services, including transaction fees, liquidity provision, mining yields, and even more. Through the continuous optimization of these services, it promotes ecosystem development and project growth. Thank you very much.
So you mentioned that 0xLSD can provide user with a maximum return of 438% over time, right? So this is very amazing and huge. Could you please describe the ecological logic structure of 0xLSD as well as the project revenue model and core profit methods? And why is there such a high annualized rate of return?
Sure, yes. So the ecological logic of 0xLSD encompasses multiple DeFi protocols, such as the LSDFi Asset Management Protocol, Hybrid Token Gun Pool, Cross-Chain Flash Exchange Protocol, Linden protocols, and also NFT aggregators, among others. Once users' funds enter 0xLSD, they are automatically allocated by AI contracts to different protocol areas to generate profits in corresponding ways. The profits are then settled and distributed to users through the earning contract in stable coins. So users can choose to withdraw their earnings or continue participating in compound investments. In simple terms, we have organically combined and reconstructed the hottest and most profitable protocol products in the current Web3 market. Thank you.
Yeah, that sounds really great. So we know there are some staking and mining platform or project currently in the crypto space. So my question, how does 0xLSD compare to other staking and mining platform or project? So can you tell us why some users choose 0xLSD over other project? What are your differentiate and strengths?
Sure. So, despite the presence of several platforms offering staking and mining services in the cryptocurrency field, there are several reasons why many users choose 0xLSD. We have previously conducted comparisons with other similar projects, which can provide insights into why an increasing number of users are selecting us 0xLSD for staking and even mining. For example, let's take two of the largest exchanges with liquidity pools as example. Firstly, I'm going to mention Binance, the famous one. Being one of the largest cryptocurrency exchanges globally, also offers DeFi mining services. However, Binance has limitations in terms of the types and quantities of tokens available for staking. Additionally, their protocols tend to be singular in nature and have long lockup periods and waiting times for staking and even redemption. There are also potential risks associated with contract vulnerabilities and project suspensions. Let me give you another example. For example, OKX, which is introduced by the OKX Jumpstart staking and mining service. It allows users to stake OKB and participate in different projects to receive corresponding token rewards. However, OKX's OKX Jumpstart service has its drawbacks, such as the requirement to stake OKB exclusively and the associated fees for staking and redemption. In contrast, the project 0xLSD is open and meticulous in its approach. Firstly, we allow users to directly participate in projects to their wallets without the need to download any third party softwares. We strive to provide the simplest, safest, and most convenient user experience in the market. Other platforms may require users to register an account, download software, and undergo complex fund transfer procedures, which is a product level advantage for us. And at the protocol level, 0xLSD stands out by offering a wide range of projects, ensuring diversification and potentially higher returns as well. The platform allows users to participate in multiple projects to earn a variety of rewards, if I can say so, with an annualized return of up to 438%. 0x LSD offers significantly higher returns compared to the average ones. Furthermore, 0x LSD ensures timely and automatic distribution of earnings to users. In terms of security, 0xLSD's technology has undergone rigorous security code audits by CertiK, a professional blockchain security auditing company. They thoroughly inspected and tested the code to ensure that 0xLSD smart contracts are free from vulnerabilities and risks, capable of autonomous execution on the blockchain without human intervention, thus safeguarding user funds. Notably, 0xLSD has established strategic partnerships with 23 renowned companies worldwide, including Puff, Discipline, CNS, Dairy, and others. These companies are leaders in their respective fields and support the 0xLSD platform and its projects. They provide technical support and marketing assistance, enhancing the security measures of 0xLSD. To ensure the project's security, 0xLSD actually implements mechanisms to control token circulation and scarcity. Token airdrops cannot exceed the committed quantity, and any excess tokens are burned immediately, ensuring that users cannot overborrow or withdraw, thus maintaining the security and stability of project funds. There is also a 5% token fee which is charged during withdrawals, forcing the purchase of 0xLSD and further reducing the token circulating supply, thereby enhancing its value. Settling 0xLSD also incurs a 5% fee, simulating the purchase of 0xLSD, driving token demand and promoting price appreciation. And in terms of service, 0xLSD organizes offline conferences globally, including in Dubai, Japan, South Korea, Singapore, and the United Kingdom as well. In these events, 0xLSD invites partners and clients to share their experience and insights, showcasing the latest updates and future plans for the 0xLSD platform and projects as well. Additionally, 0xLSD has branch offices in dozens of countries where professional teams provide local customer service and support. That would be my answer to your question. Thank you very much.
So, from your description, I understand that Chirox LSD has brought innovative changes to LSD, which is both eye-catching and exciting as well. So, which is rare in the current cryptocurrency field, I must say. It can be said that Chirox LSD has achieved great momentum in the first half of its journey. So, what are Zero LSD future plans? What are the extended areas that you will expand and get involved in next?
Yes, of course. I totally agree with you. So, speaking of 0xLSD, we are dedicated to becoming a leader in the field of cryptocurrency finance. In the future, we plan to expand into more areas such as derivatives, cross chain transactions, and community governance while continuously optimizing its protocols and products as well. And this is, of course, to enhance the user's experience and to satisfy him as much as we can. The project aims to achieve deeper cross chain transactions, multi chain collaborations, and a greater variety of financial products to drive the development of the cryptocurrency finance industry. There is actually a plan to support a greater variety of on chain assets and contract types. In the future, 0xLST plans to continuously expand its functionality to support more types of on chain assets and contract types. In addition to existing features such as futures, options, and lendings, the project will actively research market demand and introduce more derivatives to provide users with diversified trading and investment options. There is also a community governance plan. Speaking of which, community governance will actually play a crucial role in the development of 0xLST. The project plans are to introduce 0xLSD DAO, our decentralized autonomous organizations, and this is, of course, to allow users to participate in protocol decision making. Through voting and proposals, Users can collectively decide on proposal upgrades, parameter adjustment, and share in the ecological value and benefits of the protocol, enhancing community participation and ownership. Furthermore, in terms of expanding partnerships and influences you just mentioned earlier, 0xLSD will actually establish close collaborations with various project teams, liquidity providers, media platforms, and even more. Through these partnerships, the project aims to collectively drive protocol development, expand the user base, increase liquidity, and enhance the protocol's visibility and influence. Active participation in community activities, industry conferences, and partner promotion activities will also be undertaken to continuously expand their influence and position in the DeFi field. The project will actively establish close partnerships with more high quality ecosystems and Web3 projects. You can actually see on our official social media channels that we have established close collaborations with many top ecosystem projects. We are working together to drive the development of DeFi and promote innovation in the LSD domain. Additionally, there are many high quality ecosystems and Web3 projects eager to engage in strategic cooperation and mutual growth with us with 0xLSD. These exact partnerships will gradually be announced on our official social media channels. So, through collaborations, I can say that our goal is to create a thriving ecosystem that benefits all participants and drives progress into the industry.
So we understand that 0xLSD has also formulated some investment plans, right? So can you introduce 0xLSD investment plans and its profit model, please?
Sure. So, speaking of the invest plan of 0xLSD, it mainly covers providing liquidity, mining, transaction fees, and other aspects as well. As mentioned earlier, 0xLSD actually utilizes AI to quickly search and capture the highest quality projects in these exact areas, providing high returns for investors through these methods. Users can earn corresponding profits by providing liquidity, trading, mining, and other activities as well. These profits come from the contributions and activities of users participating in the projects. Thank
That
you.
sounds really, yeah, that sounds really impressive. So I noticed that the 0xLSD token seems to have created a miracle recently, and its a current increase has existed $100,000. Sorry, 100,000%. I can't even believe this is true. We all know that such achievement can only be achieved if you have a large user base. So can you introduce us the current situation of 0xLSD community?
Yes, you got me even excited now. Yes, that's actually true. I totally agree with you. The 0x token has experienced a staggering increase of over 100,000% in a short period of time. That's a wow, which is truly remarkable. And it is actually the result of the collective efforts of all the community members of 0xLSD, as our community currently spans across numerous countries and regions worldwide. Many industry schools have become members of our community, and they have a very positive outlook on the future of 0xLSD as well. And at the same time, our community events, both online and offline, are taking place almost every day in various regions. They help to attract more users and raise awareness of 0xLSD's innovation in the DeFi field and its future development prospects. As a result, our community continues to grow rapidly. I believe that the 0xLSD community will soon reach new heights.
That's really great. So we know that the success of project can be separated from the help of partners. So who are the partners of 0x LSD? What development assistance have they brought to 0x LSD? Can you please explain?
Sure, this is a very nice question. I like it. So I can say, yes, we are thrilled to have a group of outstanding partners who have been encouraging and supporting us. And the 0xLSD's partners cover various areas, including technical support, marketing, and even more. Let me give an example. We collaborate with decentralized exchanges such as Uniswap, PancakeSwap for cross chain trading. We work with data service providers such as Chainlink and Band Protocol, and this is, of course, to obtain more reliable market data. And also, we partner with lending protocols to provide funding support as well. These integration will actually help us improve the efficiency, security, reliability of the protocol, offering users a better trading experience. Next, we will be collaborating closely with ORN, focusing on an on-chain liquidity and on-chain yield avenues. Both 0xLST and Orion are early pioneers in these domains, actively exploring new directions. The organic integration of Orion's liquidity components and yield components with 0xLSD's AI components, they both hold the potential for innovative liquidity solution, further enhancing yield efficiency and capital utilization. And this is, of course, in addition to driving the development of the on-chain world into new directions. And as I mentioned earlier, 0xLSD's ecosystem currently primarily serves retail users, while Orion has already made early attempts into the B2B market through Orion Enterprise blockchain solutions, enterprise trading widgets, and other components as well. These early experience from Orion will also provide assistance for 0xLSD in exploring that exact direction. With its expertise in cutting edge encryption and AI technologies, 0xLSD will play a significant role in advancing enterprise RWA business construction, on chain financial services, and also exploring new revenue and business models in the Web3 world. After entering the B2B enterprise market, of course. From another perspective, I can say that Orion, as well established DeFi ecosystem, it has accumulated a strong industry presence. Its ecosystem token ORN is currently listed on over a dozen exchanges, including Coinbase, Binance, Gate.io, and has a considerable user base of investors. After establishing a partnership, the token ORN will serve as one of the liquidity tokens for 0xLSD and play various roles within the 0xLSD ecosystem. So I can say that with the support of ORN, it is expected to further help 0xLSD's ecosystem capture funds and users at a larger scale, expanding the ecosystem size with new gains. 0xLSD is poised for a qualitative leap in the liquidity and yield domains. Furthermore, I must also add this thing. The CEO of Orion Protocols, Alexei, he brings unique insights and practical experience in product design in both traditional finance and the crypto space. Therefore, through this partnership, we also actually expect to drive further innovation into 0xLSD's existing products and also propel the ecosystem's development through innovation. And from any other perspective, this is a long term benefit for the development of the 0xLSD's ecosystem. Thank you.
So you just mentioned the in-depth cooperation with ORN. So can you tell us which big moves Girex LSD will make next? I believe everyone present is very interested.
Yes, you keep asking wonderful questions. So, as you can see, recently we have participated in Token 2049 event held in Singapore, and after that, we were also invited to Dubai Summit along with renowned projects such as Google, AWS, and even Binance. At the summit, we reached important cooperative intentions with them, and we had the opportunity to collaborate with several well-known companies and institutions also. In the future, we will continue to lead innovation in the LSD field together with our partners. Meanwhile, we have recently successfully passed the audit constructed by CertEC, which is crucial for our users. And as I also mentioned earlier, we have established a close partnership with Orion, and Orion aims to be a leader in the Web3 space and continuously innovates the DeFi trading experience. In order to celebrate our collaboration with Orion, we have launched a scratch card campaign for 0xLST users. Participants, they have the chance to scratch with and also win ORN tokens, which are listed on Binance Exchange. And it's actually an exciting activity. Additionally, we will delve into the DeFi space to provide users with more sustainable and stable high yields opportunities. Furthermore, on December 10, 2023, we will be hosting the Global DeFi Summit in Tokyo, Japan. and we will engage in discussions and exchanges with experts from the Web3 and finance sectors, exploring the future of DeFi and how to drive better innovation. We believe this summit will actually take us to new heights and will give us new insights. So, if you're interested, you can attend the summit or follow us on our social media channels to get important updates about the event and any upcoming new informations as well. Thank you very much.
Yeah, thank you very much for your insight. Unknowingly, our AMA session is come to an end, and I would like to express my sincere gratitude to the 0x LLC team for their valuable time and all the participants for their engagement. Today, Emma was filled with valuable information. So once again, I would like to thank you, 0x LLC team, for their insightful sharing and valuable perspective on the DeFi field. So I believe that this is the dynamic and transformative realm of crypto finance. 0xLSD will continue, innovate, and progress steadily. Lastly, I want to express my thank you to everyone for the interest and support in this topic. I hope that today's discussion has brought you a new insight and inspiration. If you have any more further questions about 0xLSD or other related topics, please feel free to reach out them anytime. Wishing you all the best in your future. And once again, thank you all for your participation. And once again, another thank you to Ryan. It was a
Thank you
great
very
meeting to
much.
you.
It was a great pleasure. I really had a lot of fun here sharing information about the project, answering your question. This is a wonderful experience. Thank you very much. Looking
So you
forward
have
for
any
more.
last message for the community you want to share?
Yeah, so the upcoming event is going to be held in Tokyo. If somehow somebody's there in Japan, please go ahead and give us a visit. We're going to be very happy to share our insights, experiences, our project with you. If you didn't have the chance to be there or the financial manners to go to Japan and everything, please go ahead and follow us on our socials and stay up to date with whatever we publish, wherever we share. You're going to get informations about the project. You're going to always keep up to date with the project so you can know even more about us. Thank you very much.
And that's all. G-Rex LSD to the Mars.
Thank you. Thank you very
Have a
much.
great day, Ryan.
Goodbye.